Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you 6 simple and useful Microsoft Excel tricks that every beginner should know. These tips will save you time and make your work much easier. So, let's get started. Press and hold the Control key, then drag the bottom right corner of the selected cell until you reach the desired number. Select the cell and enter this formula. Again, there are 2 methods. Press and hold the Alt key, then drag the bottom right corner of the selected cell until you reach the required number of entries. Select the cell and enter this formula. There are 2 simple ways to fill dates. Press and hold the Alt key, then drag the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Simply double-click the bottom right corner of the selected cell to fill the dates automatically. Need to fill weekdays or calendar days quickly? Press and hold the Alt key, then drag the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Or, simply double-click the bottom right corner of the cell to autofill the remaining days. In Excel, vertical means data arranged up and down in columns, while horizontal means data arranged left to right in rows. Now, here's the trick. Copy the data. Right-click on the destination cell, then select Paste Special. Next, check the transpose option and click OK. Copy the horizontal data. Right-click on the destination cell and choose Paste Special. Enable the transpose option, then click OK. And that's it. Your horizontal data is instantly converted into vertical data.